I'ma do what I do, so do you, hey.
Hey there guys, remember Megas here. So today's a very special day. We're going to be doing a very special unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing my new camera. With that being said, let's do this. Alright you guys, so that was fun showing you guys my new camera. I'm really looking forward to start working with the camera and to see all the awesome videos I could create. This camera really helped me a long way on my channel. I felt with this camera I did a lot of growth in my channel, and I was able to create a lot of amazing videos with this camera here. So I'm really looking forward to moving to the Canon 80D. Do you guys see the difference? Can you guys tell the difference of how it looks? So you guys, for real, tell me, can you guys tell the difference? If you can see the difference in the quality of video, let me know in the comment section below. So can you guys see the difference? Does it look any better? Did I do a good move by upgrading to this camera? Just let me know what you guys think. So, like, can you guys see the better picture quality? Like I said, I'm looking forward to using this camera. Looking forward to all the awesome works and videos I'm able to create with it. Alright you guys, so one cool feature I forgot to mention about the Canon 80D is that it has touchscreen. So basically you could change all your settings here with a touch of a button. And also this camera has Wi-Fi capability, so which means is that if I'm filming for the day, you know, I'm at the skate park and one of the skateboarders wants their clips, which is a big problem of mine. Says, oh, can you send me the clip? I could send them their clips right off the camera. Also makes editing a little bit easier, which I could send the clips right from the camera to either a phone or a laptop. So that's another cool feature that the Canon 80D has that my old camera didn't have, was that it has Wi-Fi, so I could send people their clips. And also the little swivel screen here has touchscreen, so pretty awesome. You know, a big major upgrade moving forward with the channel. So I'm kind of really looking forward to to using this camera. Also, something I forgot to mention is that this camera is really new to me. I really don't know how to use it as much, but with time goes on, I'm gonna progress with it, and you know, start really making awesome videos with it and bring you guys along the journey. Sorry about that. I do kind of stutter, so sorry for that. I couldn't get progress out, okay? So moving forward, so I'm really looking forward to using this camera, and that's about it. Alright, you guys, and with that being said, it's been with me, Migs, signing out. To the next one, and the journey continues.
I'm that man on the moon. I'm up on the moon.